Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see some few questions of this fifth chapter numerical methods. So question is example 5.18. The following data is given of a steam table. So there is one data of the steam table which is given in the question. So temperature and pressure. So 140 degrees, 150, 160, 170 and 180. So these are the temperatures. As these the pressures are 3.685, 4.854, 6.302, 8.076, 10.225. So this is the temperature and pressure. We need to find out the pressure at, means what will be the pressure if the temperature is 175 degrees. So what will be the pressure at when the temperature is 175 degrees. So we can see here. Here the temperature 175 is near to the end of the table. So we can apply Newton's backward interpolation formula. Newton's backward interpolation. We can apply Newton's backward interpolation formula. So what is the Newton's interpolation backward formulas here? So that is y is equals to yn plus n by 1 factorial into delta yn plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square yn plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube yn plus so on. So depending upon number of terms that are there in our table, till that we are going to write here. Find out this n value. So how to get this n value? X is equals to x naught plus nh. X is equals to x naught plus nh. Here xn, so xn means xn plus nh. Since we are in backward, we have to use xn. So what we are going to get here? Xy is 175. 175 is equals to 180 plus n value don't know. H gap is 10. So 175 minus 180. It will become minus 5 is equals to n into 10. So minus 0.5 will be n value. N value is minus 0.5. Now let us write the backward difference table. So x values which are 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. So y values 3.685, 4.854, 6.302, 8.076, 10.225. So since we are doing with the backward, that is delta yn. So first 4.854 minus 3 points. So 4 minus 5 will be 9. Here 4. So 4.854 minus 3.685 will be 1.169. So next 2 minus 4 will be 8. Since we are taking carry, 9 minus 5 will be 4. 2, 8, 4, 12, 1. So 1.448. Next 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 0 7. 0 minus 3 is 7. 1.774. Next 9. Here it is 11. 7 4 11. Here it is 1. So 1. 10 minus 2 it will be 2. So next delta square yn. We are doing backward, right? So 8 minus 4. 8 minus 9 will be 9. Here it will be 3. 7 6. 13. 3 minus 1 2. 0.279. 4 minus 8 6. 6 minus 4 2. 7 minus 4 3. 0. So 0.326. 9 minus 4 5. 7 0. 10 minus 7 3.0. 0.375. Next delta cube yn. So 6 minus 9 it will be 9 7 16. 11 7 4 11. 2 minus 2 0. So 0.047. 5 minus 6 9. 6 minus 2 4. So 0.049. Next delta power 4 yn, which is 9 minus 7 is 2. So answer is 0.002. So this is our backward interpolation, Newton's backward interpolation. This will be our yn and delta yn, delta square yn. So let us write in the formula first. So y is equals to, first one is 10.225. So yn, that is 10.225 plus n value, n by 1 factorial, right? So n value is minus 0.5 by 1 factorial into delta yn. So delta yn is 2.419, 2.149 plus n into, that is minus 0.5 into n minus 1, minus 0.5 minus 1, n plus 1. N into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square yn. Delta square yn is 0.375 into 0.375 plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube yn, that is 0.049 plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 divided by 4 factorial into delta, that will be 0.002. So here it will be 10.225 plus, so 0.5 into 2.419 will be 1.0745 minus 1.0745. So 2 factorial means 2. So minus and minus will be plus. So if I simplify that, we are going to get the answer as here minus number na, so it will come it as plus, plus into minus will be minus. So if I simplify that, we are going to get it as 0.046875 minus 0.030625 minus 0.000078125. So these are the overall values. Now if we do subtraction from overall these, so what is the final answer we are going to get here? 9.10048,438. So it is approximately equals to 9.1. Next example 5.19. Calculate the y value from the x. Okay, the given table is here x, here y. So 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 8, 27, 64, 5 cube 125, 216, 343, 8 cube is 512. So he's asking the y value at x is equals to 7.5. At x is equals to 7.5 is asking the question. Now see here, since the value of x is nearer to the end of the table, so we use Newton's backward interpolation formula. Newton's backward interpolation formula. Newton's backward interpolation formula. So what is the formula for Newton's backward interpolation formula? Y at x is equals to xn plus nh. If it is forward interpolation formula, x is equals to x0 plus nh. If it is backward interpolation formula, x is equals to xn plus nh. That is equals to yn plus n by 1 factorial into delta yn plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square yn plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube yn plus so on. So depending upon the term we have to write this. Let us apply this. In order to get this, first we need the n value to find out. So let us find out that n value first. So x is equals to xn plus nh. X is 7.5 is equals to xn is the last value, that is 8 plus n into the gap is 1. So 7.5 means minus 0.5 is n value. So your n value is minus 0.5. So let us substitute in the formula. Minus 0.5. So first we have to write that backward interpolation table, that is x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next y 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512. That's the cubes. Okay. First delta y. So delta y means 8 minus 1, 7, 27 minus 8. 19, 64 minus 27. 37. Next 160. Next here also 1. Here 9. 91. Here 7 and 2. 127. Here it will be 9. 10 minus 4, 6, 1, 169. Next delta square y. So 19 minus 7 will be 8. Now here we will do next subtraction. 19 minus 7, 12. 7 minus 7, 7 minus 9, 9, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. 4, 5 minus 3 is 2. So 0, 30. Here 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 36. And minus 7, 2, 4, 42. Next delta cube y. Here it is 6. Here also 6. Here 6. Here also 6. Here also 6. So delta power 4y. 0, 0, 0. Here also 0. Now this is our table. So we are going to write these values in our backward interpolation form. Let us write.
Mama, need that.
In the formula, so y is equals to yn. Yn is 512. So 512 plus n value. N value is minus 0.5 by 1 factorial into delta yn, which is 169, plus n into n plus 1, that is minus 0.5 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into 42, plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into 6. So if you multiply with 0, you will be getting 0 only, so no need of writing that separately. So if we solve this, it will be 512. So plus into minus minus. So 9 5 45, 5 6 30, 34, 3 5 1 are 5 8. So it is 84.5. 84.5 by 1 factorial is 1 only, minus 0.5 here plus 0.5. 5 5s are 25, minus 0.25 by 2 into 42, that is 21, into 21, minus here plus, here plus, so totally it will be minus only, minus 0.5 into 0.5 into, here it will be 1.5. So 2 minus 0.5 is 1.5 divided by 3 to the 6, 6, 6 gets cancelled. 3 factorial is 6 and 6 to 6 gets cancelled. So the overall answer will be 512 minus 84.5 minus 0.25 into 21. 0.25 into 21, 25 ones, 25, 25 to 50. So 2 days before it will be 5.05. So 5 square 25, 25 5 125, 12, 25 ones, 12, 25 plus 12, 37. So it will come 0.375. So if I do overall subtraction, we are going to get the answer as 421.88.